and again, welcome to the HTMiCulinaryTV. Today I have again a different guest chef with me. Today we have Priyal here. Welcome, Priyal.
Hello, I'm from India.
From India, fantastic. India, big country. Where from India?
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Oh, I heard they have very good food there. Biryanis and all kinds of food in Gujarat. Fantastic. But again, Priyal is here to learn pastry bakery, so we will do something sweet. And today we want to make decorations, flowers from royal icing. So here we have now, I prepared already some pretty sugar flowers. Now Valentine's is coming, and any cake decoration we can use these flowers. But with the same royal icing, we can make also nice leaves. We can make a grass for a cake, or for Christmas, we can make some Christmas trees. So this is all royal icing, and royal icing is very versatile. We can do many things. Here we have pretty flowers, but we have also trees and leaves, and so many things we can do with the royal icing. So what is royal icing? Royal icing is basically egg white, basically. That's it. No egg yolk, only egg white. Powder sugar, icing sugar, confection or something. And maybe if you like a little bit lemon juice, a little bit acidity, and food color. That is it. So now, Priya, we want to make the royal icing sugar, okay? At the same time, we need some more. What I do, I pipe these flowers, you see here, on the eggs, because it's very nice shape and it holds it very well. But if I put direct, I will not get it off. So what we need to do is we cover these eggs, like I did here, with some aluminium foil already. So if you can do that, so you pick up a sheet of aluminium foil, one piece at a time, and we just cover the egg without breaking the eggs, of course, and make sure the top is nice and smooth. Okay, and then we put it back. Okay, excellent. I will help you. And a small story with that. In 1996, I was in Dubai, and then we made a cake which was 2.5 kilometers long, and I was tasked with do the decoration for this 2.5 kilometer cake. So I had to make sugar flowers just like that. But it's a long cake, so I need a lot of flowers. So actually I had to make 15,000 flowers like this in 3 weeks time. So I had to make basically 800 flowers every day. A lot of work, but I enjoyed very much. And the cake looked very nice afterwards. And another thing with these sugar flowers is beautiful colors, nice shape. They're very dry. And here you can keep them a long time. If you have in a container, so that no sunlight, because sunlight deteriorates colors, the color will fade. And it's dry, you can keep 1 year, 2 years, no problem whatsoever. So basically you can start now and you make a variety of colors, and you have a preparation, you have a mise en place for many months to come. And even here with the sugar, the icing sugar, what I do is I have a plastic cone. There you go. I coat it with aluminium foil, so I can take off the can, pipe it on the top, take it off, let it dry, and it will keep forever until next Christmas for sure. So now we have the mise en place ready. Now we make the icing. So if you put all the egg whites in the bowl, and then some other icing sugar, and we start mixing this one now on slow speed. Always slow speed. We want to mix it, but we don't want to really beat it. So now you can see the egg whites picking up the sugar, and it till becomes a paste. Yes, and some more now we can add. See, the mixture getting white and thicker. And more. I don't use a whisk. I use this equipment, which is the spatula. We open another one. Okay, almost there. And now you can see the color is white, but it's not really a white. No, it's kind of eggshell, kava. So now we need to wait a little bit, and again, only slow speed, very important. We don't want to overbeat it. So we let the mixture run for a little while till air is getting incorporated. That will make more quantity, but it will make the mixture also lighter. Okay? And maybe a touch more. There's no real recipe, it's a little bit by feeling. But again, like me, if you do this 500 times, you will know what to do. Almost there. And what we will do when the mixture is ready, we will transfer to the bowls, and then we add colors. And like you see here, I have actually two colors. I have white inside and the pink outside. So we will do the same with this one. I will show you how to do. Then, what do we need? Piping bags and what we call nozzles. You see, they have a different kind, different shape, different size. Here, this one, for instance, as you can see, this is for leaves, these ones, but this one is for the petals. Bigger petals, medium, tiny petals. This will give us this very beautiful shape of each petal. And then we fill it, pipe it with the hand. Okay, again, see, it looks whiter, it looks lighter. So, then, almost ready, we use the nozzles, okay? For instance, here I have a big and a small, which we'll put now into the piping bags. So we need to cut the piping bag a little bit in the tip. One here. We open. And then we'll put, of course, tip first. And again, small thing. You see that all the piping bags, they have a line here. So I line the thin part with the line on the top. And same here again with the bigger nozzle. So here again, we open up, head first, goes inside, and then if you see the line here, I line up the thin part. I have to twist it a little bit so it matches sort of the top line. Because later when I put the color, that will help me to put the colors right. Okay. So now this is our icing ready. We can remove it. If you remove, please, and give me some here. Yeah, lift and twist. Very good. Out. So now we can transfer some of that into one. So if you give me, we don't want to waste too much, some here and some there, please. So now we have the two different icings. Of course, from the color one, I need a little bit less. So I will put most of my color here, and the old food color will do. Few drops. So you give that a good mix. Okay, let's mix this one. You with the pink, me with the white. Beautiful. And this is the consistency you want, a little bit on the thick side, like this. Correct. So now we want to fill the two colors into one bag. And that's why I have the line here. You see the line there? Because now I can see the line from here as well, there. Now I will put one color to one side in the bag. Let I have the pink on one side, which is just a little bit, no need too much. Can you just hold? Thank you. And now I put the white on the other side of the pink. So that's one bag for you. And you can see the line, and you see the pink and the white. And then when we pipe and they come out, they come. This is your bag. Now I will fill mine just the same way. Again, two colors. And I usually start with the color first. So I put the pink and white on one side. So I have it all on one. Thank you. And then the white, the opposite side. Have you done this before?
No.
Oh, first time. Excellent. So I fill that up a little bit more because it's a bigger bag. So now we have our both piping bags. And again, I have this one a little bit there. So for that we don't need right now. Now comes the skill part. So one for you, one for me. So now we have to look, we need to clean. I'm right-handed, so maybe other way, whichever way works for you. You're holding the bag already very good, very nice, so that we can squish with one hand. Now it's a coordination between the two hands, okay? Here I want to press, and here I want to move, okay? So I press, and then move the egg around. You see, I just hold I don't move. Okay, try. Press harder. There you go. And off. Excellent. See, that is the bud. Because you have a smaller nozzle, that's why it looks smaller. Now I put my nozzle on, I pipe and move away down. Okay, again. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, very good. Okay, not so fast, a little bit slower. Ta-da! Yeah, you got that. 2, 3. Okay, you see, this is like a small center of a flower already. And now we do it again, but now we do 5. It's always 1, 3, and then 5. Okay, so I will go ahead. I put now a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and with 5 I should be around under the first one. Look at that. Then we can keep that here to dry. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Priyal's first rose ever. Priyal's first rose. Is that cool or what? For the first time. Very good. So now we just have to make 600 more. Okay, girl? Okay. Just try now to make the leaves, this one, more together so that they're joined. You see? So again, same thing. One in the center, then around, and around, and around. Okay, I think you're picking that up better than me, huh? Now, okay. Well, look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Fantastic. Thank you very much, Priya. Okay. So now let's imagine we made 600 already more. Now we keep them out. Within 1 day, they're dry. Like this here now. Now we want to decorate something also. So we have a nice cake already here. So now we want to arrange the flowers. And that's also kind of important. We want to make it like a spray, for instance, right? So we start always with the big flowers. So we put the big flowers maybe here. 1, 2, 3. And then like a spray, we go with smaller flowers. So 1, 2, 3, yeah. So we have now lots of small flowers. And then here. And then maybe one more here. And there. And the small one in between. So now we have a nice flower, but flowers always have leaves. So therefore we need our leaves, which we have here. So on this one we just fit under there a little bit. And we can put them also, because they're stiff, they're hard, they can be up a little bit. So, for instance, I don't want to cover the flowers. That's why also I make a lot big and small and tiny ones, big ones, that we have arrangement of leaves. And again, it's difficult sometimes to define beauty, but try to get a balance. And again, with flowers we can over-decorate, we can put too many or not enough. It really depends what we want to do. But in a way that all the people say, oh, wow, nice. One more here maybe. And another one here. Yes. Sort off. Then maybe some writing here. Another little bit green there. That's broken off. There. And sometimes even we can take a pic. Because again, natural means bigger, smaller. It's not always perfect same. And that's the beauty on nature. It's imperfection. It's perfect in its imperfection. Maybe a little bit one more here. Oh, okay. So, and there we have beautiful cake, beautiful decoration done by. So, and there we have it. Beautiful cake with a beautiful decoration prepared by beautiful people. And there you have it. Thanks, Priyal, for your help, and with best wishes and great dishes.